isa pang realization ko sa sinabi ni Chloe na nami-miss out natin. If ever na isa tayo sa mga nire-reach out ng mga katulad ni Chloe or kung sino man na may pinagdadaanan at gusto lang nilang maglabas ng mga negative emotions or something, come to think of this na dapat you appreciate yourself or you appreciate what Chloe or other people are doing kasi nga they find peace in you. They know
Right.
that they can trust that you are the perfect person to be their safe space.
Tama.
And mabuhay kayong lahat. Para sa lahat ng mga safe space dyan, mabuhay kayo. So, para sa ating featured host, ano naman ang iyong realization?
Grabe. Ang dami kong gustong sabihin. bakit tatawa ka, ma?
Yung tipo what's your reaction? Write a reaction. Grabe.
Grabe. I'm so happy na na-invite ako ni Matt dito sa sa content na to, sa episode 1. Kasi sobrang dami kong natutunan and yung nagustuhan ko din yung talaga ang daming realization na pinaano sa akin si Chloe. And ngayon naman, what I like naman is yung kay Z na sinabi, I like look in the mirror and something. Parang ano mo yung sarili mo. Parang i-boost mo yung sarili mo to be self-assured. Parang sa sarili mo lang kasi talaga eh. Kumbaga, yun yung una mong makakapitan siyempre yung sarili mo bago yung paano ka makahingi ng assurance sa iba kung hindi ka sure sa sarili mo, di ba?
Yes.
So ayun, parang it makes you parang every morning na ginagawa mo yun, it makes you start your day in a good way and syempre maging confident ka sa buong araw, di ba? So, sobrang full ng mga punong-puno. Punong-puno ako ngayon.
Full pa lang gusto sabihin. Akala ko full. Anong full? Full pa.
Na full.
Kaya mo
sobrang
daw.
Sobrang
Yes.
dami ko natutunan
Ayan.
ngayon. And thank you sa inyong tatlo.
And yes, buti na lang ay andyan si Gintong Tigre to document everything at para ma-post ito sa YouTube kasi this is worth treasuring. This is worth replaying. 'Di ba? Kasi kahit ako kailangan ko siyang balikan. Merong mga portion doon na kailangan kong i-post on my own social media din kasi nga it really is something that is worth
Right.
sharing. Na hindi lang dito sa Kumu kundi outside din. Outside Kumu para sa mga hindi pa nagkukumu diyan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And,
Thank you,
guys,
Rania. Grabe.
just i-follow nyo ang ating Instagram. That is sanaall_onkumu. Yan, lagi kaming magpo-post dyan and that is a brand new page for Sana All. And kung gusto nyo yung balikan yung ating mga yung season 1, just go to Zillable. Yun sa IG account. Ayan. So, follow nyo kami, si Kuya Artist Mats, ako, si Arthur, si Ate Chloe. Ayan. So, you
Yes.
guys can kung gusto nyo yung mga gantong content, it's really helpful para sa, we can be each other's comfort and also strength.
Right.
Diba?
Okay. Ikaw naman Z, ano naman realization mo sa lahat ng sinabi ng ating guest?
Grabe.
Grabe din.
Grabe din siya.
Grabe din. It's more than words.
Parehas kami.
Sabi na Rhino, follow daw hindi stock.
Hindi, tama yung sinasabi ni Ate Chloe. Ganon din kasi ako na I do advise pero sometimes I forget to apply it, di ba?
Right.
So we need that constant reminder din sa sarili natin, sa ibang tao. Kumbaga, let's say na-advise na natin but all of a sudden, you're in that situation and then somebody else like said the same thing that you said a month ago. Just to remind you na you gotta go back to your words and remember na, hey, ito, alam mo na to eh. You just need to practice it and apply it. Kasi alam mo na. So, yun. Diba? Re-realize ko yun kasi yung the whole, parang most of the story of Ate Chloe, like, relate talaga ako. Ayan, relate ako doon. And
Yeah.
I've been through the same challenges and the reason why I'm here now is because of those challenges. And the reason who I am, why I am the way I am is because of those challenges. Yeah. So, okay lang mga bashers. Okay lang yan.
Yes, ako naman on my end. I really appreciate Chloe sa lahat ng mga sinabi niya. Lalo na walang tapon na talaga, no? Talagang lahat ng mga sinabi niya, wala kang dapat itapon kasi nga kahit yung mga jokes and stuff, mapa-jokes man yan or mapa-personal or very serious matter, talagang you get something out of Chloe. And gustong-gusto ko yung sinabi niya na, 'di ba, kapag may umalis or may nawala sa kanya, then go on. 'Di ba? Parang gano'n na it's your loss, not mine. Kasi nga the moment that you get away from my life, I can soar higher because nabawasan ng bigat. And that's what I like about you, Chloe. And I'm so proud of you. Minsan ko lang sabihin talaga to. Hindi lahat ng tao sinasabihin ko, I'm proud. Kasi nga, although sinasabi ni Z, dapat sabihin mo lagi yun or something. Kasi nga, you are a professor or you motivate. Pero sabi naman ng iba, yes, tama ka. Kasi nga, that's how professors are. Na minsan-minsan lang talaga magsabi. And yun, hindi ko talaga madala sabihin yung proud ako or something like that. Pero right now, I can feel na kailangan ko sabihin ito. I'm so proud of you, Chloe, for what you are right now.
Iyak naman ako.
And I think I realize now yung sinasabi mo nga ganyan, Kuya Matt, na kasi nawawala yung meaning talaga ng words if you say it every time, di ba? So,
Yes.
yeah, tingnan mo, natututo tayo kay Kuya Matt, di ba? Even with all of that jokes and stuff, like there's deeper, di ba, learnings.
Pero
Hindi
parang,
man yan.
parang halos lahat tayo umiiyak.
Teka lang.
And especially, honestly, all kidding aside, Matt knows my fear of coming back to Kumu. Kumu had kind of hurt me. And
Yeah.
I didn't want to come back here. That's why I'm still taking a break because I was still kind of nasaktan pero bumabangon, and I couldn't say no to Matt kasi nga na-witness niya yung downfall ko and yung pagiging paranoid ko noon ngayon. I don't really care.
Yeah.
Before, dahil nung bumalik na sila Chloe dito or nandito na yung Paragon Entertainment, medyo hindi pa talaga yung the agency mismo, medyo pinagdadamot pa si Chloe or something like that. Hindi pwede siya mag-guess kahit saan kasi nga pinoprotektahan si Chloe. Pero si Chloe ina-assure niya na hindi, si Matt, he is a friend.
Yeah.
I'm safe kapag sa show nila, Matt. So, sana payagan. Parang ganun. And
Yeah.
I really, really appreciate
Very
that.
protective because he knows what I've been through here. So he's he's just like, I want to make sure na, you're gonna be put into a good light because I know your background here and ayoko na nagagamit ka. So I'm very blessed then kay Kuya Base. Shout out, alam ko tulog ka. So hindi siya tulog pa siya.
Kasi one time dumaan siya sa stream ko mga 5 a.m. ganun.
Yun na lang yung YouTube.
Oo.
Pwedeng i-ano. Kasi
Nadala ko sa
lalo,
kanya para mapanood niya. I love you, Kuya Base. And si Kuya Base is one of silent friend. Yun ang na-appreciate ko sa Paragon is Kuya Base kasi nagkaroon pa ako ng taong with the mindset of but napaka-matured and I feel like he understand me. I feel talagang it's fact na talagang he understand where I'm coming from. He has the same matureness, I would say, and very professional handling a lot of conflict, especially having a big agency here. Siyempre, di ba nalaglag talaga si Michael? Ano ba talaga? Kaya pa siya nalaglag yung bracelet ko eh.
and
As long as it's not your top, Ate Chloe.
and I would like to take this opportunity ako bumabati ng mga pa-type or pa-send online. So I'm gonna take this opportunity then to say happy birthday to you, Kuya Base. Alam ko nag-birthday ka nung nakaraan pero syempre wala akong chance to say that. So happy birthday. Sana mapanood mo to.
Exactly. And thank you din sa ating mga sana-allers dyan sa baba na without you guys, itong show na to talagang is not gonna be successful without you guys kasi you guys contribute a lot din, di ba? At saka dun sa mga gifters natin at saka sa supportan nyo, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Talaga. Kasi this first episode ng season 2 natin, it wouldn't be really successful kung wala talaga kayo dyan. Thank you so
Wait
much.
lang. Si Chloe daw. Uy, gabi.
Oh my
Nicole,
God!
and now, kasi nga medyo lumalagpas na tayo sa oras, pero buti na lang walang lakad pa si Chloe. So, Z, ano naman masasabi mo sa ating featured host for tonight?
Grabe! Oh my God!
Grabe ba?
Grabe na, te.
Grabe!
Ulit, te.
Ano yung signature mo, Arthur?
Grabe.
Then,
Mr. Grabe.
thank you so much, Arthur. Kasi,
wait
actually,
lang.
I've been
Tissue.
to one of yung...
Sarap.
Umiiyak ka ba? I've been to one of yung mga live stream nila and they also have this parang kind of conversation, discussion ng kung ano-ano. And sabi ko, may mga ganun palang input to si Arto. And then, I was so surprised nga and also excited na ikaw yung first featured host namin. And you did a good job. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Grabe naman.
And, grabe naman. And talaga namang, I'm looking forward to watch you grow as talk show host someday or magkaroon ng content na parang ganito. Di bali nang dumami yung kalaban namin, basta. Diba? Basta
Grabe
porsyento
naman.
atong namin. Joke lang.
So, soon talaga si Kuya Matt,
Thank you so
ano na yan eh. Kuya Matt talaga magiging sariling agency na yan. Ang tawag, Daddy Matt.
Daddy Mats.
Daddy
Daddy
Mats.
Mats.
I love it.
Art Entertainment.
Hindi, ang kasi nga agency, 'di ba? Kumukuha ka ng tao tapos gusto mo makuha din. So ang agency, ang pinaka-tagline niya ay Take me in, Daddy Matt.
Yes.
Sana,
Daddy, sabi niya, Daddy, male, entertainment.
Oy, grabe!
Oh my God.
Grabe!
Grabe. Let's give Chloe the chance to promote, especially yung IG kasi iba yung name niya sa IG. Let's go.
Yeah, ngay. So, yes, break pa rin po ako, but I do have a show here, syempre brought to you by the Paragon Entertainment. That is Facebook. Oh my gosh! Stay with
So magbabalik na yung Tuesday with Chloe.
It would be back partially, I would say, September.
Oh, September.
Pretty sure na September.
September.
Samba.
Grabe.
Yeah, partially
Ito.
ng September, ayan, kasi syempre tayo busy pa. But definitely full-blown tayo ng October. So that's every Tuesday community stage, or community channel rather. 10 a.m. Philippine time. Alam ko masyado po maaga kasi yun talaga mag-work sa schedule ko. And normally may akong pinifuture na mga streamer as well. It's a little bit a talk just like this, but they also sing. So yeah, si Jay, humanda ka na sa akin. So,
Yes.
encouragement and talking about their life as well and how they're able to conquer a lot of struggles in life as well. So, yun lang po. And also follow me on Instagram, Face by Chloe. Face and then nating _ by Chloe. Ayan, may mga motivational speech din po ako doon and I do a lot of may mga makeup looks din pero I haven't done it in a while kasi nga super busy talaga tayo. Pero and knock din kasi I think we're gonna be there very soon. Follow nyo rin po ako
Wow.
doon. Oo, malapit na but abangan nyo, saka kung may mga suggestion kayo na mga favorite nyo na streamer, DM me kasi I'd like to feature them. Preferably nasa US para hindi sila masyadong maaga. Pero kung sa Pilipinas man, maaga talaga. Saka namimigay po ako ng Gcash doon. So, na only mabubusog ang inyong mga tenga at pati bulsa nyo.
Oo, talaga. Ang daming ang daming nananalo doon sa pa-Gcash namin. And of course, Arthur, anything to promote?
Ayun, wala naman. Hindi, joke lang. Ayun.
Grabe.
Lagi naman ako nandito sa stream sa Kumu. Pero ayun, I would like to take this opportunity to invite you on my naiyak ako bigla. Joke lang. Hindi, joke lang.
Ano meron?
Birthday.
Hindi, may birthday on August 15 and birthday sa Lubong. Mag-stream tayo doon. And kantahan. And invited kayong lahat. Sana makapunta kayo. And
Nice.
makita ko lang kayo doon is I'm happy.
May palumpia ba?
Uy, online lumpia.
Ay,
Online
yummer.
kainan din. Grabe ba
Okay.
ba yun? Yun lang naman. And then, gusto ko rin
Si Rhino.
thank you. Panoorin kita mag-blow ng candle. Ay, sige, magpwede na ka ng candle. Bublow natin. yun.
Oh my
Hindi, ayun.
Get
Then I
your
would like
address talaga.
to take this opportunity din para magpasalamat sa mga nag-stay na mga friend ko dyan sa baba. Ayun. Sobrang dami niya. Sobrang
Thank you
supportive
so
niya.
much,
And,
guys.
ayun, I'm happy kasi, ayan, lagi ko silang kasama dito sa community. And si Graham, lahat sila sa baba. And kumagising pa sila dyan. Pero in-stay
Oo.
nila yung mga account nila and nandyan pa rin sila. Yung iba, nagsisend pa ng gifts and I'm super blessed to have you all. Love you all, guys.
Yes,
God bless.
nakakatuwa din si Jay kasi nga dami ding sumusupport talaga sa kanya. Pag nag-open
Oy,
ng stream
congrats.
yan, andyan, ang dami din nagsusupport.
Sana all.
Oo.
Wala eh. Kaya nag-break ako eh. Napagod ako dito sa kuha.
Yes, Azzy.
Appreciate it.
Ako. Ayan, guys, I just want to promote again Sana All. We are back and every Sunday yan at 10 p.m. dito sa Kumu at follow Kuya Artist Matt kasi siya yung mag-open up ng live stream for Sana All. And again, Sana All _ on Kumu sa IG and also Sa YouTube naman, it's gonna be Zillable for YouTube. Lahat ng Sana All episodes natin will be posted there. And also, regularly na rin ako.
And on my end, I would like to promote On the Go with Rhino, mamaya yan, 4 a.m. Kasi nga, isa din siya sa mga talagang sinusupport ko dito. Or, inaano ko na mag-grow talaga dito sa Kumu. Kasi nga, he has the talent and everything. So, On the Go with Rhino, 4 a.m. So, sa mga taga-US, it's your time to at least, to show, to watch something na ganun kaaga pero quality content because that's Rhino. On the Go with Rhino at
Ibang
4
Rhino.
a.m. later.
Yeah,
Kasi
kung
every
gusto
Monday
niyong
yan.
sundan yung mga tawanan na yan.
Ay, wow.
Oo.
Yes, and on my end, yes, Sana All Season 2 and next week we will be featuring yung ilang beses ng bukang bibig ni Chloe, yung kanyang anak-anakan dito na si Cholo Cinco. And our featured host for that day ay si Chloe kasi nga gusto ko rin maging komportable si Cholo at talaga dapat i-feature natin kasi nga talagang may matututunan tayo dito kung paano siya nag-bloom, sabi nga ni Kuya Base. Kasi nga dumaan siya sa stream tapos sabi niya, yes, push kay Cholo, nag-bloom talaga siya. And I really see, diba? So any last words, Chloe, before we end this one?
Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for having me here. You guys actually kind of opened up my mind again because I've been on my own and quiet this past few months, and it's nice. It's a refreshment and na madigdib ko yung aking interpersonal ganyan. And maraming salamat for always considering me and Z. I will definitely stay tuned and nice to see you again, Arthur. J-R-A-S-J. Arthur, aka J. Oh, totoo ba?
Pakita mo na.
Ay, oo nga ko din. And more power to
Sorry
you
na.
guys. This is an amazing, amazing show. And proud of you, Matt. And I feel like, we've known each other for quite a long time. And I just wish you nothing but the best and more success dito sa Kumu and outside Kumu as well. And hope to meet you one day and in person.
Yes.
Baka
Aw,
hopefully
let's do
next
that.
year. Let's keep my finger crossed.
Sama.
I'm not promising
Sama.
anything, but I'd love to
Yeah.
go home next year. So hopefully magkita-kita tayo and in God's timing talaga. Magpapa-isaw
Okay.
tayo. Isaw tayo.
Yes, isaw.
Kebale.
Yay! Oo, malapit na rin naman yung next year. Sobrang lapit
It's
na.
over.
Bilis ng panahon.
Oo.
Konti na lang lalabas na ulit si Jose Marichan.
Oh, kung i-advertise yung M28 guys. Doon kami nagkita-kita for Kumu meetup namin, guys.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
supportahan
M28.
natin ang hotel ni Ian.
Ian.
So,
Oh, yeah.
at M28.
I miss
Yes,
Ian.
Arthur, bilang host, kailangan meron kang outro. So, what's your outro?
Uy,
Meron ba?
Na-pressure ako sa outro.
Sige lang, whatever na maisip mo, malay mo, whatever comes comes out of your mouth, yun, madedevelop.
Ano ba?
Grabe.
Grabe!
Grabe. Yun na lang muna. Grabe.
Yun na lang. Grabe. See you guys next time. Okay.
Sige, let's go. Let's
So,
go.
ayan, guys. Again, this is Syllable, your host. And always reminding you to always take a chance and make a choice or your life will never change. See you next Sunday.
Yes, this has been your co-host. Ay, co-host. Hindi kasi ipi-play ko yung music after. So, nalito ako. Kasi nakita ko rin yung comment ni
naman.
Diana Nax. So,
Patanog na.
nagkagulo-gulo sa isip. This has been your host, Artist Matt, reminding you to always walk, leave a mark, and make a difference. Again, this is Sana All Season 2 with Sana All Confident featuring Chloe and our featured host, Arthur. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa ating mga gifters and all. Ayan, sumasayaw siya. Maraming salamat. Really appreciate you. Hindi namin in-expect na ganito kadami ang papasok sa una or sa pilot episode. Akala ko nakalimutan nyo na kami pero hindi pa rin. So thank you so much. Stay safe and stay awesome. Ay, hindi pa pala tayo nag-picture, guys. Picture tayo. Smile. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, maraming salamat. Stay safe and stay awesome with your host, Artist Man. I'm gonna end this live in 3, 2, and 1.
Bye-bye,
Thank you,
everyone.